To just sit here, life is happening. So yeah, coconut bar. Viva la San Luis. And it's a howdy doody, folks, from my little hotel / guest house here in Saint Louis, Senegal. Andy here from Andy's World Journeys, Dhaka to Dakar. We're inching ever so close to the final destination of, it escapes me right now, but we're getting close there. Anyway, today we are in Saint Louis and we are heading out and taking a tour around the streets of this town to see just what there is here. Yeah, I gotta fly. This take for sure. By planes, buses, trains and cars. I'm heading from Dhaka to Dakar. Okay folks, we're here. We're starting a little walking tour of Saint Louis. This is Papa Alioune.
Yeah.
He's my guide.
Yeah, of course. We are doing right now for like 1 hour and a half or maybe 2 hours, 3 hours.
But yeah, we're gonna take a walking tour around Saint Louis. Okay, let's go. Let's do it.
Okay.
Alonzi.
Leggy. Before the French, they were like the Portuguese.
The Portuguese was here?
In 15th century.
Okay.
After the Portuguese, the Hollandish people, the French and the English from UK were also here in Saint Louis.
Okay.
During 21 years. And after the French were in Gambia. And after the Treaty of Vin de Paris. And here we see we have a Maison, the pink house. They call it pink house.
Yeah.
It was like
Maison Rose.
Maison Rose. It's like a story also. Like the French, the traders came to Marseille, and they created the first company oil in West Africa.
Saint Louis was the first capital in Senegal, first capital of French West Africa, yeah?
Exactly.
Including Côte d'Ivoire,
Mali,
Guinea, Conakry, and Mauritania.
Mauritania, 5, yeah.
And this was the capital, folks.
Yeah, 1872 until 1957. Capital in...
Until 1957 of Senegal, okay.
Of Senegal, capital, yeah.
It's antique, so it's not new.
Yeah.
The photo is okay, are you sure? So folks, if you come to Saint Louis, you're looking for the antiques, come to this gentleman. Your name?
My name Papa.
Papa?
All wood, yeah.
All wood, folks. Masks.
All jewelries. Gallery.
Papa Malik Drame.
Gallery Teranga.
Gallery Teranga, wow.
Yeah.
Well, there's certainly a lot of
They all do.
So this house here is for La Signia. Yeah. And so basically the French administration, when they ruled Saint Louis, they had this house here where they kept their mistresses. That's the short story. So this is a building of a Moroccan traders here, just here. Before the colonial times?
Yeah.
So how old? This building is
2 centuries.
200 plus years old.
Yeah. That's a gallery also. We name it.
So many galleries.
Yeah. Why or do if you do like recycling?
This is modern, yeah?
Yeah.
And it's like Picasso, a little bit.
Exactly. And
a little bit.
The name of the artist is. He do like recycling. He collect like the fabric, and he put like glue. Yeah.
Oh wow.
And he write many texts. So someone who's fear to fight, he gonna lose.
Who's afraid to fight?
Yeah.
If you're afraid to fight, then you are doomed to lose. And what's the name of the artist?
Zeus.
Zeus.
Yeah, Zeus.
How would you spell Zeus?
Z. E. U. S.
Oh, like Zeus.
Yeah, exactly. The gallery's name Ordu.
Ordu.
Ordu. It's a two words. Or like a gold. And dur like a heart. Ordure. And ordure mean in French, if you like collect, if you do the link, ordure mean like the trash or trash.
1825, the Grand Mosque.
Yeah.
And there's a well there. You can't probably see it, but there's a well there with fresh water.
Fresh water. They like 30 years, and now after they bring like they build.
So over there is mainland St. Louis, and right now it's nice and cool, probably sort of mid to high 20s here with a lovely breeze. But in the center of town over there, it can be like 8 to 10 degrees hotter. So we're lucky. That's why it's great to stay on the island. Over there, folks, is Ile De Barbarie. It's like a fishing island, and on the other side of it, which is not very wide, is the Atlantic Ocean.
Never know. Before, Saint Louis was also the capital of Mauritania.
It was one country.
Yeah. Mauritania, yeah.
And I notice it's much busier on this island.
You will see, we call it that's a more popular district in Saint Louis in Senegal.
Oui.
That's more popular district in Africa, and that's almost a more popular district on the world. Why? That's like just a small island, and now at least 35,000 people live here.
Wow.
That's very big, and each woman can make until 6 child. That's like small rates. Sometimes they
6
can't
child.
6 child. Why? So they have only like fishing activities. So their parents need like strong arms.
Oh, okay.
And there's another problem is they leave school earlier. They will not end it the primary school. That's a problem also. And the only activities now is that no more fishes. About they give like license for Europeans and Chinese, and Chinese are worse now, and they use like electric fishing, and the government have not the mean to go to survive to see how many tons the Chinese gonna keep. Mango, that's not the time. This mango come to Guinea. Here our mango start at June in the south.
Yeah, for hotter weather.
You open it. That is yellow inside.
Okay.
And that's very tasty. You can put it sugar or salt. Yeah, you name it. Mat, I don't know the name.
Here we are back at the Atlantic, folks. We are switching to horse and carriage here, but our guide's trying to do a deal.
He asked me 3,000. I say I can't give you like 1,500.
What's he gonna take?
Okay. And you can take this monument. We say like it's a monument of French soldiers and Senegalese soldiers during the First World War.
First World War?
Yeah.
hard work. We are doing the roundabout salsa here. We just went 2 times. The horse does not want to the bridge, I think.
To jump the bridge.
Oh wow. Oh yeah. Ah, ce n'est pas problème. Just here, folks. The first church in French West Africa.
Yeah.
Here in Saint Louis.
1825.
1825. Okay, folks. So this famous bridge is the Federbo Bridge, and apparently it can spin till a big boats go through, which is kind of cool. Yeah, like
Since
1895.
that.
Since 1895.
Yeah.
The metal was 1895
No,
or
the metal
wood?
is new one.
Yeah.
The new one.
This China?
No. They do it in 2012. But the
Okay.
last one is like near 2 century. The last bridge.
Ah, oui.
Yeah, that's the new one by the Frenchman.
Ah,
Do
okay.
that in the exam.
This is a mission house from 1819.
Yeah. They were here like for to bring more Senegalese in the religion, Christian religion.
And now it's just sitting here.
Yeah.
That's
There should be like
sad.
a museum.
The baby fisherman. We're riding over the nets here.
The time is like more 1 kilometer than that.
Wow.
That way. Nice, huh?
Would you believe this?
Yeah.
Just the road over
Yeah.
somebody's life.
Now we are in the south.
This is a statue of Battling Siki Ne. As born in 1897 in Saint Louis, he was the first black boxing champion of the world. Thank you, Papa Alioune, for a wonderful tour around Saint Louis. Fantastic way to see the city and get to know something about it.
Yeah, thank you too.
Tell me, so if people are in Saint Louis and they want an English guide, because it's hard to get an English guide, how can they reach you?
Yeah, I'm on Instagram. You say like
So-
Senegal Tours 19.
90.
Or,
Yeah?
yeah.
Senegal Tours 90, okay?
90.
Or
Or by my
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp number. If people want to come to visit Saint Louis, I also speak English, so I can do like a good tour for everyone. So I'm waiting you. Everything is okay, huh? Yeah.
Okay, thanks, man. Okay, wow. That was another big day, actually, out there in the sun. And I think St. Louis is really a town that really helps to have a guide and to give you a bit of information about the place. And you see a lot of interesting stuff. It was supposed to be a 90-minute, maybe 2-hour tour, and it ended up being 4. Yeah, it went quite long, and we ended up in a carriage in the end. But I think I'm happy with my decision to take a tour, and certainly, if you are headed to Senegal and St. Louis and you want someone to show you around, then Papa Alioune is a great choice. And I'll put his WhatsApp and Instagram in the description box. Okay, well, next we're heading not to Dakar, not quite, we're almost there, we're so close. We're heading to a place called Sali, which is actually south of Dakar, about 80k south of Dakar, and I'm going to have a couple of nights there. So that will be the next one. And I guess then, thank you for joining me. Take care wherever you are in the world. May the journey never end.
Krishna.
Oh, Hare Krishna.
Ciao.